Still up the creek. Scared one, missed one. On frog. They're back here. Not very big, but they're back here. Little guy. Strong. Shit, gotta fish in the boat. Maybe 15 and a half. Nice fish. Yeah, something. 14 maybe. Damn, bro. Wow. There, that's about 14 again. You throwing a crawl? Breaking the net.
Oh, he's bending it?
Yeah.
Oh,
look at that. He's so big.
Let me,
We're all right. Take your time. Take your time. We're good.
okay. I'm gonna get that little hook there. I have another one.
You got the little fish grips?
Yeah, I took it out when I went to the post.
Hold on a second. We're going to reach under this cooler. Line it right here if I can reach it.
Yeah, fire.
Oh, we're good, man. My buddy's back up down river there. He just caught like a 4 and a 3. I only caught one fish today. Oh, I reached it.
Oh, I was heading back home already.
I saw you this morning. Going that way.
Now we're getting hit back. Just catch right here.
That's what you have bass.
Yeah, me too. I caught a good size one last couple weeks ago.
Uh-huh.
It was a 5-pounder. That's the biggest catch.
Yeah. Oh, Get your stupid head up. see if you can do that. I'll do something. Take your time, take your time. You can sit down. We're good. Yeah. You want to take him out? And, I mean, do you want to clip him or just get the hook out?
No, I want to take a picture.
Okay.
And the camera.
Let me wrap this on my
there you
hand.
go.
Hold on. Now I hit him. That big old mouth. There you go.
Oh.
There you go, big man.
Man, I don't even.
Got it? Don't fall out. Don't fall out. Oh, see what I'm saying? Because you're about to be slippery too. All his slime is about to slip you up. Can you take your picture? No, your phone's right there. All right, there's one on. Very